What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install and set up a secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings, and here you will see a secure folder option on the top. So tap on this option and then to install and set up the secure folder, tap on continue. Now again tap on continue. So now wait for few seconds to create the secure folder. Now after installing the secure folder, to set up a password, tap on done, and from here choose which type of password you want to use. You can use a pin password or a password or a pattern. So choose a option. Now enter the password and then tap on continue and then tap on use anyway. Now enter the same pin again to confirm, and from here tap on cancel. Now tap on OK and then click on next, and now the secure folder is installed. So that's how you can install and set up a secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.